Hello and welcome you all dear students. Today we will discuss another topic very important for examination. But before I start, let me again remind you, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and also press the notification icon so as to receive my latest videos, and don't forget to press the like icon if you feel like that. So let us start the topic, technique and style with the proper format of report writing. My dear students, if you have the option between a report writing and the article or speech, I'll suggest you to go for the report writing, because this will definitely fetch you full marks in your examination, provided you just understand important value points to be inserted in your answer. So let us see what are these. First of all, let's understand the meaning of report. My dear students, report is a written account covering an event or accident with ample details. Always remember, this is about an event that has taken place. And report is of two types. One is newspaper report, another is school magazine report. So here in this video I am going to tell you about the school magazine report with its value points. First of all, you have to provide a catchy title in capital letters at the top. Then below the title, writer's name with designation is written. This is called byline. Then always remember to use the past tense, because the event has already taken place, and never forget to adhere to the prescribed word limit. And whenever you develop your report, initially you will write the event's name. All these points to be cared for while developing your report. Then where the event is conducted, and then who is the chief guest. All these points have to be covered in past tense. Who was the resource person? What were the topics given if the report is of that type? Then how many participants were there in the event, and what were the aids used in the event? Then tell something about the interactive session, and don't forget to give the time limit if this is about any competition, and response of the participants or the audience. And then comes result declaration and award or prize distribution. Then comments by the chief guest and the refreshment for the participants or the guests. Now here comes the sample question with its answer. See the question. Cultural Society Sunshine Public School, Pune organized an adult literacy camp in its neighborhood. You have to write a report in about 150 to 200 words for a school newsletter. You are Sunil or Sunita, the editor of the school newsletter. So this is how we develop our report. See students, I have given the title in the capital letters, and then I have given the writer's name with its designation. This is called byline. And here starts the content of the report. See students, as I have told you in value point, who conducted the event, and then name of the event, date on which it was conducted, and where it was conducted. Okay, and then I have given the motto of the camp. It was to give basic knowledge to illiterate adults of the neighboring areas to help them tackle their daily problems so that they can't be exploited and deprived of their needs. Then some more details like the arrangements were done where, and number of the participants, as I have told you in value points, and how was the event conducted, and by whom, means who convened the event. Like I have added here, volunteers who conducted the event were from class 12th, and 5 groups of 10 each adults were formed, and some other people who helped in conducting the event, like Lions Club, who made the arrangement of the furniture, blackboard, duster, etc. And another NGO who supplied some other things like meal, drinking water, fruits, milk or stationery. And what were the activities conducted in the event? These you can put on your own the sort of activities which come in your mind. Like here, sessions, different sessions I have inserted here, where they were taught alphabets with small letters. And see students, everywhere I am using past tense. You can use a variety of past tense. Then teaching aids like charts, models and blackboards were used to create the interest of the adults. Then calculation by showing them numerals was also practiced. And how was the event conducted per day? Like a day was divided into 2 sessions, pre-lunch and post-lunch. Fruits and milks were distributed each day before the departure. On the final day, drill sessions were conducted with the help of the visuals, followed by a competition. The winner were honored with a tablet donated by Samsung company. Now don't forget to give the words of the chief guest and some other help which the MLA, the dignitary who came there extended. And now how did he appreciate the event? So this was all what I wanted to tell you about the report writing, and I am sure if you follow these guidelines you are going to get full marks. So all the best. Bye bye. We'll meet again.